Many free-ranging birds in this premises. So today we'll be taking you around. We'll be showing you what are all the free-ranging birds. Maximum we'll try to spot them and we'll try to learn them, their behavior and everything. And you can ask me questions at any moment of the session. Feel free. Because this is an interactive session. Yes? Free-ranging birds. They are not
Caged inside.
Anywhere. So it's a complete free-ranging activity. We'll try to spot them and learn more about them.
హలో వైజాగ్ లవర్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు పక్కా వైజాగ్. ఈ బర్డ్ వాచింగ్ సెషన్ని కండక్ట్ చేసింది WCTRE, అంటే వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ త్రూ రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనే ఒక NGO. ఈ బర్డ్ వాచింగ్ సెషనే కాకుండా ఆలివ్ రిడ్లీ టర్టిల్ హ్యాచింగ్ వంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్ WCTRE వాళ్ళు కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇలాంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండి జాయిన్ అవ్వాలనుకునే వాళ్ళు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో వాళ్ళ FB పేజ్ లింక్ ఇచ్చాను, వాళ్ళని ఫాలో అయిపోండి. ఈ వీడియో ఎండింగ్లో మేము చూసిన బర్డ్స్ తాలూకా పేర్లు క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేశాను. సో ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ వరకు చూసి ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్.
And they try to find the snails and fishes inside. So there is a group of birds called waders, and painted storks are one of the large waders. So that is actually they are fighting also there. So in animal kingdom we can see territory marking. So this is my territory, nobody else can come. That happens a lot. So apart from these bigger painted storks, you can see white color birds on the wall. Those are egrets. So in egrets there are two types. I am telling them. In between, here in this bush in front you can see one small one. This is a white-breasted water intermediate egret. Whereas backside those smaller ones, those are cattle egrets. You can see orange color beak. Anybody wants my bite? So these three are cattle egrets. The one on the right which is going towards the back is intermediate egrets. Hudhud completely destroyed it, damaged the cage, but still these birds did not fly away. They still stay here. Yes. So you can see the trees on the periphery. So they build their nests. Daytime they tend to go out also sometimes. Like water bodies in the city, they try to go out and eat and all, but then at the end of the day they come back to the zoo only.
Where they go out, just like pigeons. Airport back.
We find in our house is house crow. It has a grey patch. This is large bill crow or jungle crow. It's completely black in color. Not in India we call colloquial term is large bill crow or jungle. So their red berries during this season. Barbex, hornbill, koel, crows, parakeets also sometimes. So they all come to feed on this. So if you just sit somewhere and at leisure time, you can easily spot many birds during their feeding activities here. So
What
we
time
usually
is the best recommended?
ma'am,
What time? Early morning?
early morning, 6:30.
But the
Depends.
zoo allows you to come inside so early?
It can take permission. Not only here, ma'am. Anywhere when you find a banyan tree, especially in this season, you can make sure that if you sit there sometime for some time, we can definitely spot it. So here it comes. You can get it along with the nest. Is it called one? One is what I can keep
Here one is red beak.
hold the bino. ఫస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా చూడాలి ఎక్కడ ఉంది నెక్స్ట్ బైనోలో చూడు
One eye. One eye.
You want to see it you want to see it through this?
No, we are okay.
You want to see? Come here. You can see all the trees. Wrong actually. There will be 2 to 3 varieties of birds that raise that kind of. But he started from that much actually. You don't have. I can make this much. So they will go there. So many parrots on that one stump. So woodpeckers have a tendency. The male or the female will build a nest, hole and everything. If the female is not satisfied, it will not enter. Again, it has to make another burrow. So all these abandoned burrows will be used by these birds.
వాళ్ళంత కష్టపడి నీళ్ళలో దిగితే అసలు 10 రూపాయలు వేయడం గింజు వస్తాం మనం ప్రతి ఒక రూపాయలు నేను ఇస్తాను నువ్వు నేను ఇస్తాను
It is walking up now, so that it's flying down. Okay,
If they find any fish or any insect, they will jump in.
కలిపిస్తారు అందులోనే కలుపుతాయి
He has 2 nests of this bird. So this bird actually builds nest in tall trees on the coastlines. So they hunt in the sea for fishes. So they'll hunt the fish and they'll perch on their nest and feed them. So unfortunately, Hudhud destroyed all the majority of tall trees in the Vizag coastline. So they came and stepped inside, farther inside the canopy. And unfortunately, they are building their nest now in cell phone towers. Today's all photographs we'll send it to them. We'll add you another group. Bird walking in IG is available. In that, after everybody's added, we'll send all the pictures that we got today. So if anybody wants to identify again, they can actually try doing it. Spotted? Abhi tak spotted? Keeps it separate for 1 week, we will give much less. So since their habitats are shrinking and getting polluted because of many human-made reasons, I'm working on studying habitats of birds so that in future we can do some management and conservation plans for them.
Which institute is that?
No, actually I was working in Salim Ali Center for Ornithology in Coimbatore.
Okay.
It's ornithology, study of birds, so they have multiple projects there of birds. So I was in a toxicology project.
Okay.
So as part of the project, I visit many states in India for collection of samples. So like that, I built my base camp here in Vizag. So now I've actually resigned that job. So now I'm part of WCTRE, Wildlife Conservation Through Research and Education, an NGO. We have started it here, a couple of 6 to 7 people. So we are all into different fields, like one is in marine, one is in reptiles, birds, butterflies and all. So joining together under one head, we are taking up projects for the conservation and management of wildlife. Now we are focusing on Andhra. Future we are intending to expand. So apart from that, we are conducting awareness sessions, workshops, activities. So that will be going on the side. Whereas our core work will be on research.
And the co-member is...
He is Vivek Rathod. He is also a member of WCTRE. So he is a department certified snake rescuer.
Okay, okay.